Welcome in. Welcome in. Let's get started here. Had a little reset last night. Feeling pretty good coming into the day. Relatively confident. Well, I think we're gonna go lower. I mean, I don't know. We'll see, because you obviously broke structure to the upside on the 1 hour time frame, and we're clearly trending up. But the 4 hour, this just looks like a retrace into maybe equilibrium on this range right here. If we can come up and tap into this 4 hour and then have good good moves to the downside, then I could target shorts. But it just depends. We're in this range where we can just do anything, where we can continue going up, or we can just keep moving or move down. Since this might just be a retrace on the 4 hour. But I don't know, we'll see. Depends on we come and manipulate first, because if we come down here and tap into this 1 hour for value gap, or we just sweep this 1 hour low, we can expect price to move up after that, and we can be long for the day. We can target these longs right here, and this for value gap. Yeah, it's a 4 hour. So yeah, But if we come up and we sweep Lennon high, we sweep these highs right here, which I believe are most likely 30-minute highs. Yeah, exactly. I'll mark this off too. I'll mark this out too. So yeah, I mean, if we come up and we sweep these highs right here and tap in this 4 hour, then I can expect price to like move down at least this fair value gap, but we'll see. I feel like we have a little absentee on our hands. So we have equal highs here. Um, I don't know. We'll see what we do. We have so much liquidity to the downside, so we'll see. Kind of just depends. I gotta ask ChatGPT something.
My parents
That's me, bruh. Um, I was gonna search up. Oh yeah, PP trading. Siri, what time is it?
It's 9:27.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name.
Don't want to get copyrighted here. There we go. This is what I was looking for exactly.
For Dummies, episode 6 time.
Yeah. Anyways, guys. Oh yeah. Oh, we're flexing fucking time. This is gonna be a pretty simple session. This is foundational knowledge that you should 100% know, and it's gonna help you with trading a lot. Today, we're gonna be going over the 5 most significant sessions. Blake.
Okay, so what I have here is kill zones. So what kill zones are going to be the best times to be trading in the market. Since we are trading the NASDAQ, we are trading NASDAQ futures, and we are also trading ES and the S&P 500 futures. This is all going to be in Eastern Standard Time. Now for Forex, kill zones are different. So please note that if you're going to be trading Forex, there are different times. But since we are just trading ES futures and NQ futures, these are the times that we want to be paying attention to. Now we have 5 different sessions here. All are very important. We have Asia session, which starts at 8 p.m. Eastern to 12 a.m. We then have London session. And Asia session does tend to be a lot less volatile and choppier because not a lot of New York traders are trading during this time. Same thing goes for London session. You're going to get a little bit more volatility from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. And then
Perfect. Perfect. Now, if we could close in this range down here, or maybe that was, oh no, because we already swept it during pre-market. I was hoping for us to tap in this fair value gap here. That's what I was hoping for. Hopefully price comes back down and does that. And hopefully we tap in here and we close like here, and then we come up and inverse like a 2-minute or a 3-minute up here, and then we catch some longs. But this is going to be our draw for the day up here. Whoa, what happened here, bro? Chop City, bro. the into pre-market. It's the same thing. Whoa, buddy. What is this guy? Well, I mean, there's our draw for the day. Maybe we can expect I wouldn't want to be trading against a 4 hour. I'm going to be very, very cautious here of what I do. Because we already tapped in this 1 hour. I'd rather trade against the 1 hour than against the 4 hour. So fortunately, there was nothing we could have done here. We just chill. It's fine. We'll just see what press presents us with. This is what I'd be targeting. Little 1-to-1 action, because I don't want to be trading against the 1 hour for value gap. A high time frame like that. A high time frame confluence like that. So, we'll see. See what happens. show my thing off. There we go. Bro, are you serious? These are perfect lungs, bro. Came down here tapping this one over rally gap. Broke structure to the upside. Tap into a 3-minute for valley gap. Now we're moving up like crazy. Damn, you know why I missed this, bro? It's way too premium now for me to enter in. Besides, I don't want to go against the trend as well. For this to be 1-1, I need my stop loss here. No, I don't want to enter in this. It's way too premium. This is not going to be high probable. Unless we come down here. I don't want to take this. I feel like it's not going to play out. Should I take this? Low size? Oh no, it just went up again. I might take this when it comes back down if it does. ES doing? Yeah, ES is just booming up. Hey. Like my entry should have been here. Yeah, but I don't like how price is just... Yeah, price is gonna reverse, for sure. This is what I mean, bro. I don't want to be trading against the trend. Like, look at this. Like, we are in an equilibrium range. And we tap in this for value gap. Bearish. Like, I don't want to be going against that. I just think we're going to move down. 100%. Alright, so we tap into that. Alright, I want to see either a break of structure or an inverse or value gap. If we close below this and we come up on the 1 minute and tap in for value gap, and have good displacement off of that, that'll be my entry. I could look at just go short here. Because we do this for value gap. If we don't inverse it, then I'll probably go short. But if we do, yeah, we inversed it. So I just gotta chill out, man. It just keeps moving up. So if I entered in here, I could have targeted whatever up there. The stop would have been here. I was taking half profits probably at the top of this. Or maybe here. Probably would have taken one of them off if I entered with 3 micros. Maybe we could take longer here. Screw it.
Order filled.
Go on. Tapping this one in for value gap. Okay, yeah, so I'll go break even here then. So I'll go break even here. There's not really any place for me to take. Or no, I can take one of them off here. Yeah, so I can just put this as limit sell 1. And then what was that? Did we hit some news that I didn't know about? What are we doing with it? I feel like that's good there. And then I can take one of them off here. Limit sell 1. Let's also ChatGPT how much we can make here.
No. If you have any more questions about trading sessions or anything else, just let me know.
So if I enter in,
Sure, feel free to continue whenever you're ready.
I'm
And
talking,
I'm
you
here.
dumbass fucker. So if I enter in with 3 micros into the micro NASDAQ at a price range of 24,910.50 cents, and I sell one of those micro contracts at $25,056.50, and then I sell another one micro contract at 25,124.50 cents, and then I sell another micro contract at 25,181.50 cents. How much would I make?
All right, let's break it down step by step.
No, just tell me the end thing. Just tell me the end.
Got it. In that case, we can sum up the profit for each micro contract. So if you sold them at those prices, you'd end up with a total profit of about $271.50 overall. Let me know if you need any more details.
Bro, like, so retarded. Like, buddy, what are we doing? Is this really gonna be a break-even trade? I'm just gonna get out here, bro.
Order filled.
What are you talking about, bro? Of course there was a trade in there. You dumb? Brother. This is a literal... Oh, today's the 6th. Yeah, exactly. So, unless it has to update. Six, 7. Yeah, so retarded, bro. File upload. Here. There was an error. Like, it just doesn't make freaking sense, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, I don't even know what this is. Demo account. What demo account is that? I'm on the trades tab, bro. Do not work. Oh my gosh, bro. This is just pissing me the fuck off right now, bro. Now it works? Now, if I were to take this trade at the time that, what's it called? Here, let's say on the 2 minute if it's cleaner. Yeah, 2 minute is cleaner. So if I were to take this trade, I would have entered in here. 58 points would have been my stop loss. Oh, okay. I probably would have went break even or something, like around this range. 11-point break even? Probably not. Okay. I probably would have just taken partials here. I would have targeted the same thing. But it's chill. It's all good. All good. We still caught a little bit of profit, but basically a break even day. Alright. What could have been, bro, like that just pisses me off so much. How I could have lived to trade another day on my other account, and I probably would have passed it. And I would have been, my confidence would have been a little higher. Like, I would have entered in a little earlier in this trade. I would have been free in my mind yesterday. So I would have been in profit here and in here. And I probably could have passed my account, my first funded account, without the freaking, what's it called? Gosh, what is it called? Without the activation fee. But, dang, bro. It sucks. That's why you never gamble, bro. That's why you always gotta stick to your rules. But, chill. It's fine. It's all good. Do my day. I had a stop loss on that thing. I don't know why it's doing that. What if I do this? Oh, no. Five to eight. Let me see. Oh, I still got a journal. Net P&L was 26. Day rating. Followed my rules. Started the day off early. I was in the charts at 9:11. But my emotions were kind of got in the way. I missed the move, so I'd say like 7 out of 10. I feel it was like clean. I feel it was relatively clean. 7 out of 10. Number of trades taken. I took one trade. Trade taken. What is this? Can I? Oh, I can upload stuff. Fire. The notion's going into pre-market. Into that day. sessions going into the day. I felt relatively confident. I felt relatively confident. Describe your emotions. I felt relatively going into the day, but I still was kind of hesitant and ended up missing a move. Relatively confident and hesitant. Reason for trade. Reason for trade. We were trending up already. We were trending up already. On the 1 hour. As we already broke structure. I do something different. Daily bias. That's good. Daily bias. We were Gosh, I hate when this happens. What if I do this? Yeah, there we go. That works. Perfect. Like, bro, piss off, my guy. Oh, I see what I have to do now. Here. Let's put a bunch of them. And then here, I put daily bias. There we go. Daily bias. And then I go here. I put bullish. No, I was unsure. Unsure. We could have gone both ways. Daily bias confluences. Confluences. We tapped into a... Okay, yeah. So we came and we tapped into this 1 hour for value gap. I got. We came up. Broke structure. Technically, I should have taken the trade off of. Actually, no, never mind. Break structure to the upside on the 5 minute. Break of structure on. Into a I gotta review my trade, not the ideal trade. Yeah, broke structure to the upside, came down into a 1 minute for value gap, and that's what I took it off of. Or no, was it? No, it was a 1 minute. 1 minute for value gap. Who's texting me right now? Entered long. Entered along there. Tapped into a 1 minute. Bullish for value gap. Break your structure on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute. To the upside. tap into a 1 hour bullish for about, yep. Jeez, bro, my friend that just enlisted today, his ship date is for September 1st, bro. That's crazy. That's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Bro, that's 7 months still. That's crazy work, bro. Alright, confluence, we got that. Now, emotions after trading. Emotions after trading. Emotions after trading. Felt pretty good with myself, and felt pretty good with myself as I followed all of my rules. But I wish I had been a little more confident, because I would have taken a trade earlier, and it would have played out better. And it would have played out better. What needs improvement? Yeah, it's definitely how you spell it. What needs improvement? What needs improvement? I need more confidence better risk to reward, better risk, just better risk. I need what could I have improved? More confidence, better risk, more market experience. I don't know how to spell this. More market experience. More market experience comes better risk and comes more confidence. So, yeah. I make sure to put a plus on here. Plus 26,028 cents. Okay. I think that's it, really. I'm gonna copy this right now. And then I'm going to open, delete that, paste this, going to delete this. I completely forgot I could do that. So, all right. Finish my day. Complete prep. What is that? What did I just do? What is this? Fire. Done by 10:30. Let's remove everything. Let's mark out our stuff here. Alright, so New York AM session. 8:30 to 11 a.m. I'm just gonna mark this out like this. 8:30 to 11 a.m. New York is gonna be dude, my legs have been growing so much lately. Sorry. ADHD at its finest. Alright, let's chill. I like that. Ugh. Ugh. New York, actually we'll just do one in session now. 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. These are kill zones, by the way. 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. What color are those? Pink. Pink. Right. Asia session. 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. New York lunch hour. And then New York PM session, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. New York, it's like a peach color. Like this. PM session. New York PM session. This is Asia session, so Asia session. Dang. Don't forget black cat. Alright, Asia session. We got that. Hold on. That's it. Save as Asia session. Okay. This will be London session. New York AM session. New York AM session. New York AM session. New York lunch hour. New York launch hour. Save as New York launch hour. Hungry, bruh. Need to get some Mexican. Alright, fire. Bet. So we got all of that. One in session. Fire. That's tough. Alright, cool. So that's it for the day. P&L was $28.50. Break even day. So, and I'll take it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. I'll see you guys on Monday. Yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. Pretty much it. Pretty much it for the day.